Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. Just taking some more nature pictures. This is my mom's back porch and all the flowers she has planted, so I'm going to zoom in on some of them. She's into flowers. I am not. She has a green thumb. She did not pass it on to me. I just got your finger in there because you just pointed. Then we got roses down there. If I could zoom in on the roses. If you go over here, sometimes you can catch a hummingbird on the feeder. Let's see, where's the feeder at? There it is. I'm gonna pause it. I'll be back with more. Okay, these are caladiums, so I'm told, and begonias. And then we got ferns. Oh, I'm too far in. There's my little house down there. Mom, I'm gonna have to get that in there. That is a ramp that goes off. Porch. There's my house. Hummingbirds have been landing on that feeder all day. Now they're not going to. A bird feeder. Another view from the back porch. That's where the deer always come. I'll stop it again. Maybe I could get a hummingbird. Be right back. There we go. There's a hummingbird eating its little food. I hope it flew away. We got it for a minute. There's lots of birds around here that land too. Oh, there's a bird. It's a woodpecker. Also known as Woody. Is that Woody? That is Woody. My parents named the birds. It's Woody. He's having some suet. Is that how you say it? Okay, we'll go back out. Any more hummingbirds? No. Woody's having a good old time on there. He's hungry. I guess I could walk around and show you stuff. Hold on, I'll put you on pause. Okay, here is a Rose of Sharon bush. They bloom, if you don't know, in really hot weather. Then we're gonna walk over here. This is my dad's garden. Like he used to do a big garden outside, but since he's gotten older, he does like in pots. So I just noticed he's got some really good size tomatoes on there. I love green tomatoes. Oh, that's one, and there's one back here. I don't know if you guys can see it back there. Sorry. Oh, and a lot of other ones here. So, and then of course he grows the cherry tomatoes over here, or grape tomatoes. And they catch rainwater off of here, and they use the rainwater to water all their flowers and things that are around here. And then he has these are some green beans. Oh, here's some more green beans on. Want a green bean? Have a green bean. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. And then these, I believe, are his potato plants. He put potatoes in here this year. No, maybe I lie. Don't mean to lie, but oh nope, they're Those are tomato plants. I know he put potatoes. Oh, these must be the potatoes over here. I guess. I don't know. Okay, and then we have another Rosa Sharon over here because a bird came and did its business, you know what I mean? I had the seed from that other tree and put it here, and this has just grown like crazy. So it's like here. My mom loves plants, so she planted all this. And then she's got out here, you see, this is the front side of the property. You see that bird box. My dad made that. I think it's a Martin's bird box. And then Mom did all this with these bricks and landscaping. And then up that trellis is roses. They've already bloomed. And then she puts these flowers in here. And then you come on around. Mom says she don't care if I show the front side of the house, so I'll show you the front side of the house. If you're interested in pretty things. This is like the side hut view. And then we'll walk through here. This was, my grandpa made this a long time ago. He's died when I was a teenager. He made this for my mom out of a tire. And then this, and then it comes off with the hooks, and then you hang your plants on it. So my mom has all her different plants in there. These trees right here are Bradford pears. They don't actually put off pears. They put off these really pretty blooms, but it's real short in the spring, and they go back like this. Here's the front of my parents' house. Anything you see that's planted like this, my mom does all this. Sorry about the traffic noise. We got a lot of, and then these flowers, and then all these up here. Not sure where I'm pointing because the house, I mean the sun's in my eyes. And then this. And then she's got her window boxes. I'm just kind of like taking you around on a tour. That's my dad's golf cart because he can't get around very much. He has a hard time walking, so he has to go around the property in that. See what I'm talking about? We've got traffic right here. And then this is all the front area. And this is the side view. It's really windy today, so I'm sorry if you're hearing a bunch of wind, but it's been so nice here. And then we just have all this to look at. It's really pretty. And then once you get around here, you're back down into the backyard. So I just thought you guys might enjoy some nature videos. Ooh, look.